In a world where data is the new oil, have you ever wondered how data modeling is shaping the digital age? It's akin to the blueprint of a house, laying the groundwork for systematic data management. So today, we delve into the fascinating realm of data modeling. Imagine data modeling as a bridge. On one side, you have raw, unstructured data, and on the other, you have meaningful, actionable information. This bridge helps you navigate the complex landscape of data, ensuring it's organized, accessible, and valuable. At the heart of data modeling lie two types of models: logical and physical. A logical model is like a rough sketch of a painting. It outlines the main elements without getting into the fine details. It deals with entities, which are essentially objects of interest, their attributes, which are the properties of these entities, and the relationships between them. On the other hand, a physical model is like the final painting, detailing every brushstroke. It's a technical map of how and where data is stored, and it's specific to the technology being used. Now, you might be wondering, how do we represent these models? Here's where entity relationship diagrams, or ERDs, come into play. They're a visual representation of the data structure, with entities as rectangles, attributes as ovals, and relationships as diamonds. But that's not all. There's also dimensional modeling, a technique that structures data to provide fast, easy-to-understand insights. It's like arranging your books by genre, author, and publication date to find the one you need quickly. As we move from theory to practice, we discover the art of normalization, a technique to eliminate redundancy, and its counterpart, denormalization, which might seem counterintuitive, but is essential for improving performance. Moreover, constraints play a crucial role in maintaining data integrity. It's like having a diligent librarian who ensures every book is in its rightful place. And what about data quality and validation? They're the proofreaders of the data world, ensuring accuracy and consistency. But the story doesn't end here. As data modeling evolves, it's embracing new challenges. From handling streaming data in real time to modeling for AI and machine learning, the field is constantly innovating. And in a world of stringent regulations, data privacy and security have taken center stage. In summary, data modeling is a dynamic field that's shaping the digital age. It's about understanding the core concepts of logical and physical models, entities, attributes, relationships, and notations. It's about mastering the art of normalization and denormalization, understanding the role of constraints, and maintaining data quality. And as the field evolves, it's about embracing new challenges, from real-time data handling to AI and machine learning. In the end, mastering data modeling is your key to unlocking the full potential of data, paving the way for better decision-making, strategic insights, and organizational success. So, embark on this journey and unlock the power of data modeling today. Now that we understand the power of data modeling, it's time to delve into a resource that will equip you with the knowledge and skills to master this field. Introducing Mastering Data Modeling, a comprehensive guide that belongs on your shelf. Here are 10 compelling reasons why. 1. Comprehensive Guide. This book dives deep into the world of data modeling, covering every aspect of the process. Empowerment. Equip yourself with the skills and knowledge needed to harness the full power of your organization's data. Core Concepts. Understand the fundamental principles of data modeling, including logical and physical models, entities, attributes, and relationships. 4. Practical Implementation. Learn how to create efficient and scalable databases through practical insights on normalization, denormalization, and data quality. Tools and Technologies. Explore the latest tools and technologies driving data modeling, addressing contemporary challenges. Stay ahead of the curve by tackling modern challenges like modeling for AI, handling real-time streaming data, and ensuring data privacy. Continuous Learning. Embrace the necessity of continuous learning in the dynamic field of data modeling. Novice-friendly, perfect for beginners, this book offers a clear and structured approach to understanding and implementing data models. Professional Development. For seasoned pros, it provides opportunities to refine skills and stay at the forefront of the industry. Organizational Success. Unlock the key to better decision-making. strategic insights, and organizational success through mastery of data modeling techniques. So don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your approach to data. Grab your copy of Mastering Data Modeling now and propel your career and organization to new heights.